Here is the fixed script. A one-bedroom in Vake now costs what you'd pay in Lisbon. Tbilisi's affordability is gone, and the people who know this are already moving. According to data published by BTU AI in September 2025, the surge of digital nomads and expats into Tbilisi has pushed rental prices up significantly, squeezing out the very affordability that made Georgia famous in the first place. The city that once promised ultra-low costs and a 1% tax residency rate is now dealing with the same overcrowding problem that ruined Bali, Chiang Mai, and Lisbon before it. By the end of this video, you'll know the three cities replacing Tbilisi in 2026, and the one overlooked factor almost nobody considers before moving here. This video is for you if you love what Georgia offers: the low taxes, the easy residency, the food, the culture, but you've either already been to Tbilisi and found it more crowded than you expected, or you're researching your move right now and you want to get ahead of the next wave before prices follow. I've been tracking expat migration patterns across Eastern Europe and the Caucasus for years, and I've watched the same cycle play out in city after city. Stay until the end, because the third city on this list is the one almost nobody is talking about yet, and that is exactly why it matters. Let's start with the obvious one that most people still somehow sleep on. Batumi is not just a beach town. That is the most common misconception I hear, and it's costing people real money. When most Westerners think of Batumi, they picture a tacky casino strip on the Black Sea coast, maybe some Russian tourists, and not much else. That picture is about 5 years out of date.